Hello there and welcome to a very special United Today. Manchester United is delighted to announce the signing of Belgian midfielder Marouane Fellaini from Everton for an undisclosed fee. The 25-year-old from Belgium joined Everton in 2008 and has made 163 starts and 10 substitute appearances for the Merseyside club, scoring 32 goals in the process. He is, of course, a full Belgium international. He has 7 goals in his 42 caps since his international debut in 2007. As ever, MUTV got the first exclusive interview with him. Here he is, speaking to Stuart Gardner.
Marouane, welcome to Manchester United. How do you feel now that you're a Manchester United player?
I'm very, very happy. It's a big moment for me. I waited this for a long time. I worked hard for this, so I'm very, very happy to join this big club, this great club, and I hope to do everything for this club.
When you knew that Manchester United wanted you, were interested in signing you, did you always think you wanted to come here?
Of course. It's the biggest club in the world, so of course I want to join this club. So I tried everything to join the club.
And what's today been like? Because it went right to the deadline. Has it been difficult for you?
Yeah, it's difficult. It's a very long day for me because I know as well, because my last transfer as well, I wait to the end, so I know the situation. But this day is very, very long.
You've played at Old Trafford. You've scored at Old Trafford. And what will it mean to you to run out with a red shirt on at Old Trafford?
Yes, it's a big stadium, big club. So I hope I can score a lot of goals for Manchester United.
And what do you think and what do you hope you can achieve as a Manchester United player?
You know, when I was young, it's a dream to play for Manchester United. So now I'm here. So I try to give my best to the club, and I want to win a trophy. It's the most important.